Hello and welcome to my channel. As promised in my last fish video, I am sharing an update on our aquarium today. My husband decided that our cardinal tetras needed company. So he bought the following: 4 extra cardinal tetra, 5 amano shrimp to help keep the tank clean, and these adorable false Juliae corridoras. I love these little guys. They're very playful together and they're always busy and hanging out together. We also have pest snails which also go by the name Mediterranean bladder snails. These snails are quite useful for cleaning too. The shrimp shed their skin, and because they are so tiny and almost translucent, they are not easy to spot. Sadly, our tank is rather small, 65 liters, and we have reached maximum capacity as to how many fish we can keep. If you want to know what the plants are called, we have Amazon sword, Dwarf Sagittana, Storigine repens, I'm not sure if you pronounce it like that, Cryptocoin ventii, and the floating plants are water spangles. When we first got the fish tank, our cat wasn't really interested in it. But once Paul brought all the extra fish home, that changed, as you can see here. Now she often meows at us to open the office door for her so she can sit on the floor and watch them. It's very cute to watch her watching the fish. I hope you liked this short video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you have suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate to this channel via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.